Hello everybody. Alright, if you have installed XAMPP setup and also Dreamweaver and you are ready to start work on this project, that's great thing. But before starting the project, I will let you know that whether you are an advanced PHP developer or a very beginner, I will try to explain everything with details so you can understand that what we are going to learn and what will be the result at the end, because we are going to create a website in PHP that will be a very perfect project. So we can design the layout in PHP in CSS and HTML, and also will be including JavaScript in the project when we will be working more later on during this project. However, first thing is first, and that is after you have installed XAMPP and this thing, I mean Dreamweaver CS5, so you need to go to your computer, double click your icon of your computer. I'm using Windows, you can use any other operating system, and after that you go to C disk, or you can see C drive. When you click that, so you will find a folder called XAMPP, and that folder is actually created by this software which we already downloaded and we installed. So this has created this folder. You will have to go to this folder in order to access your root directory or your local host, where you can save your files, I mean PHP files, which you can later on run on your local host on the browser. So here, this is the files of this software which we installed already, but you have to find your root directory, the specific folder for running your files, because the rest of the files are just configuration files and they are just by default installed for this software to work properly. So you need to actually find a folder called htdocs. The htdocs folder is actually your root folder in XAMPP. When you install XAMPP, so your computer becomes a local host, and if you install any other software like WAMP, you will find a folder called www. So in our case, htdocs is our root folder, so you have to double click it. So I have double clicked and it is now open in front of you. When you open it first time, you will not see this kind of folders, many folders. You will see just a few folders, or maybe no folder inside this htdocs folder. But I have many folders because I am working on many projects. So whether you create a file over here or a folder over here, you can view that folder or that file or the on the browser when you want to browse that. So what we need actually to do is to create a folder for our project. For our entire project, we will create a separate folder, and all of our files will be saved over there. We will save all of our files there. So the simple thing is to create a new folder. Just click the button new folder and name it whatsoever you want. I will name it my CMS. This is, in this course we will use this name, my CMS, for this folder. And all of our files, whether index.php or admin.php or whatsoever, any pages or inner folders, all will be included inside this folder. So this is very important. First you have to create this folder. So I have created my CMS folder. Now I will open it. It is just empty. There is no folder or no files, but I will have to create some folders inside it because this is a complete project. So for a complete or for a professional project, you need to know what you are going to do before even starting working on the project. So with international standards and everything fine, we can just put all of our folders in the starting, because we know what we are going to learn and what we are going to create. So the first thing is to create a new folder over here and name it like includes. This will be a folder where we will be saving our files very small files, so we can later on include them anywhere in our project. The next folder will be of styles, where we will be saving our CSS styles or something like that. And the third one will be JS. JS means JavaScript. If we have external JavaScript scripts or JavaScript files, so we'll be saving them in this folder. And this is a professional way and professional method to create a complete project, because you need to create all the folders at once, so later on you cannot misconfigure anything, or you cannot miss anything. So the next thing is creating another folder, which will be something like functions. If we have functions, so we can save them inside this folder. One more folder will be like admin. This is admin folder. So we have created actually 1 2 3 4 5 folders we have created for this project. And inside this admin folder we will also create another folder includes, but that is a later thing. For now we will just create the index page for this project. But note right now, after this video I will straight start another video from the same point we are here. So take care till next video.